Disney World. Let's see if it's worth the hype. We got the ticket 6 months ago. Our exams were just done at 7 pm, and now we have a flight to catch at 9 pm. We almost missed the flight like always.
Okay, we just got to the Airbnb, or it's a hotel, kind of like Airbnb incorporated together. We just got here. It's around 2:30 a.m. in the morning. It took us around like 30 minutes to find the rental car. We got some snacks, so now we are tired. I'm gonna show you everything tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow is the Disney day, so I'll see you tomorrow.
According to the plan, we were supposed to be there before everybody else. Get to the most rides before it gets crowded and we get tired.
Please guys, subscribe to me. Look at these beautiful ladies here.
Follow, like it.
They are all singles.
यो त बेच्ने रहेछ सब्स्क्राइबर लागि मात्रै बेच्नु छ त्यसमा हाम्रो युट्युब च्यानल छ हामीलाई फलो गर्ने भए चाहिँ टिकटकमा आउनु तिमी कति जना डिज्नी प्रिन्सेस थाहा छ
Cinderella, and then I know Sonpari.
What the hell not Nepali princess.
We were only exploring Magic Kingdom. We promised to catch up other parks next time. I was surprised by the details and the number of people working to keep that magical kingdom magical. No matter the place you visit, your friends have the true magic to give life to your trip. Disney gets very crowded, especially in the holiday season. So we had to stick to the plan, as I said earlier, and jump to the rides as quickly as we can to avoid the crowd.
Also, guys, yellow scan again in the building, okay?
We started with the Space Mountain, as it was the closest ride.
Got it? Yep.
Okay, lift it up. Okay, don't forget your ears.
All right.
Okay, put your phone. I can't see.
All right.
Okay, are you ready?
We're all ready. Bye-bye.
So now we just got into the space ride. I don't know the name of that ride. What was it? Space something, right?
Space Mountain.
Space Mountain. It was okay. We had fun. It was a short ride, dark.
It was fun, but they could do better with the lighting and stuff. Because the name is Space Mountain, but there was no space on it. Just some regular.
no mountain.
But
Why is there mountain in space? Mountain space खेलेको 6 out of 10 on scariness.
Right?
We skipped the Tron because of the wait time and headed to the Adventureland. We went to Enchanted Tiki Room, which we thought was a ride, but it was the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we present direct from the islands a musical duo.
Worries come dressed as night to plunder dreams and whispered out to the sky.
अगाडि बस्नु न त हैन हामी के हो यो नचिजो ए
जस्तै भयो भने झर्नु त भएन नि
तर झरेला जस्तो लाग्दैन
Make sure you keep your
Pratyush,
hands, arms, feet,
how do you
and
feel
legs inside.
riding
Sure,
magic-
watch your kids.
magical carpet?
This is not magic carpet, this is tragic carpet.
So this is for the kids actually.
I thought this was a roller coaster.
Push up or pull down
Well,
a
let's-
little.
This is a roller coaster without the coaster.
Without the coaster.
Flex your mind, splinters, facts from fictions. It's dark outside, it's cold in here. There's nothing left but all your fears. You're falling like the moon falls in the sky.
As they say, everyone is a kid from inside. We were actually enjoying the vibes and the non-thrilling rides made for the kids.
So we are about to ride Tiana's and it's a 50-foot drop. It's all wet, so we are getting more cold. So we are going to get dropped from that height right there.
Hello? Anyone down here?
Hello! Let's go!
As we were getting hungry, we stopped for lunch after the Tianas. The lunch was actually not very expensive compared to the water and the soda. So we still have some time for a few rides, and then there's a Disney parade which we don't want to miss.
We're driving down the boulevard, cruising with the windows down, feeling like we run this town. Your song is on the radio.
As I didn't grow up watching much of Disney cartoons and characters, it was just a parade for me. But for someone who grew up watching Disney, the parade brought life to their favorite Disney character, and the people were very happy to see that.
Just fine, but tonight I just wanna dance.
Is it open or?
No, we're temporarily closed.
Regrets and mistakes are part of the trip. Similarly, we got scammed by the Winnie the Pooh ride. We waited around like 1 hour and 30 minutes, but the ride ended in around 5 minutes, and it was not even thrilling. It was meant for the kids.
कस्तो लाग्यो? कस्तो लाग्यो दीक्षा? सो हाम्रो 100 हाउस कति बज्यो देन?
5:55 जाम लाइन बस्दै गरौँ किनभने यो विनी द पूको पनि लाइटनिङ पास भन्दा धेरै अगाडि लाइन थियो नि त
You are 200 minutes early. I'm going to ask if you can come back 5 minutes.
प्लिज आई होप
Plans never worked out. We were supposed to go to the haunted house, but we decided to go to the Jingle Cruise. So we had the lightning pass for Jingle Cruise in about 2 hours. Instead, we just decided to use that, and we got caught. It was getting dark and our energies were winding down. We feel sorry for the operator for not matching the energy level.
Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible state.
After this, we had few rides to catch up and join the most magical Disney Starlight Show, along with very hyped and magical fireworks over the castle.
So everybody, how was it? How do you like it?
It's a small world after all.
Lay down till the path is found. You are the truth I couldn't name. You saw the cracks I tried to frame.
They count the wins, I count the cost. Each lesson gained from something lost. I played in places no one knows, and still I bloom where nothing grows. Been through the night.
The feet started to burn. The backpack I'm carrying started to gain the weight. We walked around for more than 10 hours. All the weight and the hardship was worth it for this magical moment.
I try to frame. You were the truth I couldn't name.